I'm back, unlike your father.
Bro, I thought that was a bit for a second. I thought that was a bit. Nigga got pretty ass hair.
Yo,
Yeah, pretty ass
you're
hair.
a fucking freak, bro. What's up? You fucking
Nah, I ain't even.
jailbird, bro. What you mean I'm pretty?
I never said.
Nigga could have
Yo,
got
you
sweet
tripping,
boy.
nigga. I ain't never said that. I said you got like.
Nah, you you a sweet little red bone, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro.
I'm not even entertaining that,
Look
bro.
up what sweet little red bone means. Look up what that means.
I'm not gonna look up your weird ass shit, nigga.
Nah,
Like,
look up
what
what
are you
that
doing?
means.
I'm not looking up your
Means you're a
weird ass shit, nigga. I'm
sweet
not.
little black girl.
I'm not, nigga. What are you
That's
talking
what that
about,
means. That's what that means.
bro? The fuck is this nigga
You a
talking
sweet
about?
little red bone. You
Fuck
a
is this
sweet little
nigga
red
talking
bone.
about?
Yeah, black people don't got braces. What the fuck?
Niggas think niggas don't got motion. Niggas think I don't got motion, nigga. Like,
You ain't
what's
got no
wrong with
motion. What do you look like?
Like, what is niggas talking about?
Look like
Nigga?
Mr. Potato Man with that fake ass chain. That shit almost ripped.
Like, see, niggas be on dick. Like,
Ain't
I
no,
really,
bro.
I really bust the time moves out on your ass, bust down, roll you, everything, nigga. Fuck
Bro,
you
who is
talking
that little bald kid in the back?
about?
Who is that, bro?
Nigga called you bald in this.
I can't look at how. Yo, look at that, bro.
Oh nah,
Fuck.
nah.
Nah, all right. I can see him now, bro. We could not see you, bro.
That's gotta be racist. That's gotta
Look
be
at him in the
racist.
camera back there, bro. No, look at him in the camera back there, bro.
Hey, like,
Yo, you under the bed, bro.
Fuck. Yo, you look like you drew onto the wall, bro. Look at that shit, bro.
That's an unlocked character, bro.
Look at that shit. Looks like you still need to unlock his ass, bro. What the fuck?
nah, they cooking this nigga right now.
It's 500 more coins to unlock that motherfucker, bro.
Again, normally said when it's done, making monkey video them that was the last video, but back point again, like leave more about it, like, subscribe, um, road to 1K and them thing there, the good thing them. And even I go waste on the time too much, we just a jump in every video. Is this nigga, yo, nigga ghost? Is this nigga good? Bro, I just see 2 dots in the dark. You good, bro?
That's my teeth. That's my teeth.
Nigga, be honest, bro. You on that crack?
What?
You on that crack, bro? You be on that
What
crack.
crack?
You be on that crack daily. Like, you be on that crack. Yeah, you ain't gonna lie to
What
me.
crack,
I
nigga?
ain't the feds, man. Like, you be on that crack. You be on that crack. You ain't gonna lie to me, man.
Like a smoking? Nah, I'm not. I wasn't smoking. I
Like,
wasn't
you
smoking.
be like, trying
Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah.
not like
I don't do that shit.
I ain't the fed. I ain't gonna tell you, like, you be on the fed. You be on
Nigga,
the fed.
why would I be scared of you?
Exactly. Why would you be scared of me? Like, I ain't the feds or nothing. Like, so you be on the fed. You be
I know,
selling
I know.
drugs. You be selling drugs. Like, you be selling drugs. Like,
That's haram.
yeah, like, you be selling drugs.
That's haram. That's haram.
I.
He's got a struggle in his life. Hello.
Yo, what's good? Yo, what's going on? Hey, chill, nigga. The hoes is like, goddamn, like, niggas, like, what the fuck? Like, yo, like, is that your girl? Is that your girl? I'm just asking, is that your girl?
Yeah, wait, he's trying to say something.
Say again.
What up?
I'm just asking if, like, y'all, like, is that none of y'all, like, girl or nothing? Like, I'm just asking on some shit, like, type shit.
Yeah, it's yours, isn't it?
Yeah, it's my sister.
Yeah, it's his sister.
Yeah, I'm his sister.
Okay.
We're from different moms. Why do I always have to say that though? I mean,
Because y'all look nothing alike. He's white. You look like black.
I know. But
I know white.
Nigga, you look white.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Mom changed, like, from guys. Like
Exact. See,
she was into
exactly.
darker guys.
Look, I just took after the sperm. What can I say?
That like
Fine,
exactly.
like-
That ain't even none of my. You feel me? But like,
Black mama, white dad. 50-50.
But yeah, no, he's my brother. Like we just have different moms. That's it.
nah. So like,
Yeah.
if we but like that won't happen with us though. So like, if we got kids, our kids will have the same mom. So it's like, you ain't even gotta worry about that.
Fire. But let him cook. I'll let you cook. I'll let you cook.
Got niggas in his bag.
Respect it.
Sit back.
Respect it.
Sit back.
Shit
Thing
is
is
soil.
that I actually have to say something. Like you remember? Okay, he doesn't. My brother doesn't like me like talking about this, but
Come on.
when I was younger,
It was on me this time.
I got into an accident, and
Right.
so like it was so bad that I can't have babies. Like I can't. So I mean, how are we gonna have children if I can't even have babies?
Oh,
Like,
that's crazy. Like, I was working with my dog Elon, me and my dog Elon, we was working on some new shit. It's like
yeah.
we can hook it up and you can have like artificial babies. Like, them test tube babies. Like, yeah, we on some shit like that. Like me and my dog Elon, we be working. Like, you know what I'm saying? So we got you, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying?
This guy got money.
Stop playing with me. What? I'm the first nigga to do all type of shit.
Look. How tall are you? You 6'4"? You look 6'4", man.
Now I was like, I'm like
You got
6'3",
a
but
Hellcat
I
number?
ain't measured since I was like 16. So like I could be taller, but I don't know.
Yeah.
How old are you?
You're pretty 6'5" by
Wait,
now,
how
bro.
old are you?
Want dick right now. She wants dick right now.
Oh, I'm like 18.
Oh, that's a little. Aren't you like 23?
Nah, I'm 18.
Yeah, sorry, man. It's not gonna work out.
I think you're like 23.
No, wait, how old are you?
DTP forever on God.
Why would you go down? You can see
Kingston?
I said 21. Bro,
Hello?
nigga, your cam not working. Like, nigga, y'all so ass.
No,
Like,
Bro, is that your shadow in the
Bro.
background?
L
Yo, is that your
YouTubers, bro.
shadow?
L YouTubers.
Is that your
Niggas can't
shadow
even
in the
work their
background, bro?
cam.
Is that your shadow?
Stop being racist. Stop being racist.
Brother, you need even not work your cam, bro. Like, calm.
Nah,
Calm.
stop being racist. Oh, don't skip.
Bro, we can see it.
You
Yo,
don't know
yo.
that bit. Hey, buddy in the back, black still. He like his shirt just laminated back that bit.
Hey, he
Buddy
say
back
you
there.
black as hell.
Yep, his ass. They had like an unlocked
What
character.
you say, nigga? This bitch ass
Go
nigga,
back
bro.
to the back.
Man, fuck you, nigga.
Go back to the back real quick. You like
Yo,
a stud.
you look dumb as hell. Nigga, the cam right there. Nigga look dumb as hell.
That nigga like a
Fuck you,
fucking
nigga.
stud.
Excuse me, nigga. Look at that shit.
Hey, go back to the back real quick. But y'all
That nigga
niggas,
dead
I ain't
look
gonna
like
lie.
skinny
I mean,
bitch.
that bit, bro.
Yo,
Got a
Skilly,
house full of
are you
niggas.
that
Them
dog?
boys
When
having a
the
Diddy
news
party
gonna
in that
drop?
bit. Y'all having a Diddy? Y'all having a Diddy party?
Yo. Gang. Oh, yo. Yo, what's good, nigga? Yo, what's good? Good.
What's up, nigga?
So,
Jamaican.
like, you want some smoke? Like, I be selling that dope and shit, like that sand and shit. Like, I got y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying?
I don't want none of that shit.
I'm in the trap house right now. I got some shit for y'all
got-
niggas, man. Like, come on, man.
How big is your trap? Let's see it. How much you got? How much you move?
See my dog right here, he the supplier and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? He be like, you some shit, bro. Like, I bet you didn't even see that nigga. That's how camouflage that nigga is. That nigga incognito.
I see him. I see him. He black as hell. Where do you guys? Are you guys in Jamaica or what? You guys
See,
in
I
Jamaica?
got you for like shit 1 ounce, 25.
I need 50.
50.
50 P's. Hey, pass that jar. I need 50 P's.
50 P's.
Pounds. 50 pounds.
Oh shit, y'all got y'all shit stacked. Y'all ain't the
You
regular
got some
customer.
shit.
Y'all buy wholesale. Y'all buy wholesale, right?
You feel me? Yeah, your
Word,
man is not the supplier. I'm the
word.
supplier.
Yeah, I got you. How about I do you this, right? I give you like I give you 50 pounds, right? 50 pounds. But like
For how much?
shit. You know what I'm saying? Since you a wholesale customer, I'm gonna give you like the wholesale price, right? I give you like the wholesale
Give me a
price,
wholesale price.
right?
Let's hear it. Yeah.
Like 10,000, 10,000.
10,000 for 50 P's.
Nah,
What does it
nah,
look like? Is it good?
nah, nigga, that's that good shit. That's the shit from Jamaica. I got that shit from Jamaica, you know? That shit that Bob Marley was, you know what I'm saying? I got that Bob Marley shit.
Bro, that's that Bruce. That's that Reggie.
You know what I'm saying? You gonna smoke that shit, you
Hey,
gonna become a whole platinum artist, nigga. Like, the fuck, you gonna be selling out platinum.
does it look good?
Nigga asking how the fuck the weed look, nigga. You want good looking weed? Or you want that shit
Yes, you
that's
want
good?
like this looks pretty good. Like purple, got good nugs, good stuff, you
Nigga,
know?
you not worried about how
Not
the
the
shit look.
bullshit.
Do the shit hit. Is that shit gonna put you on the moon, nigga?
I don't believe you're the supplier, bro. You're the middleman.
Nigga, you tripping, nigga. You tripping.
All right, bro, add me then. Give me
Nigga,
you
is
have
that a
Instagram?
vape? Man, get that shit out of here. Lame ass shit, nigga. Vaping, nigga. Come on, man.
Bro, we're talking business, bro. You're
Nah, you
telling me
right,
to
you right.
supply something.
I can't knock your shit, but I'm just telling you, like, throw that vape shit away, nigga. Fuck with my weed, nigga. Fuck with the weed shit, nigga.
Nigga, you can't supply me, bro.
Nigga, you not
Look at this.
serious, nigga. I'm giving you the prices. You not locking in. You not serious, nigga.
Bro, nigga. Like, bro, do you see what all those are?
Nigga, I'm giving you
Can
wholesale
you
price,
supply me,
nigga.
bro? I don't think you can, bruh.
Oh my god.
I think you're yapping, bro.
You
Look
tripping.
at this shit. I think you're yapping, bro.
Nigga, I got you for retail price, nigga.
Okay, so get my info.
Man, your sister ugly as shit.
Dog. That's crazy, man.
God damn.
Big Kid talking about dancing with denim. Shut the fuck up,
But I
nigga.
can do that too.
Bro, why you still got the cam on?
Hey there.
Oh, hell.
Bro, it looks like
Oh, gee, is that you?
Look funny.
Me?
You the crackhead outside the gas station. I get $20 yesterday, bro.
Crackhead? Me?
Yeah, bro, I sold you some crack yesterday outside the gas station.
You sell crack?
Yeah.
Okay. That was the balance.
You bought crack outside the gas station, bro. You opened the gas station door for me, and you was like, "Let me hold a 20."
Knowing that I've never been to Jamaica, have you ever been to Italy?
Nah, I'm from the UK.
Oh, you're using a VPN?
Yeah.
I've never been to the UK, so maybe you're confused. Maybe you smoke too much crack.
Nah, I sold the crack to you. What you talking about?
No, the thing is that I don't do that stuff.
Wallahi.
Why?
Yeah.
Not just say that.
Oh, your mother let you up on the app, bro. Where you going? That makes sense.
That's why I say that.
Alright, father, now you big. Pass your birthday.
Oh God, you just want showcasing talent.
Yo, what's good?
Reasonable catch.
It's like I'm a 55 overall, no badges.
W YouTube video, like, subscribe. I'm out, nigga. Like, it's short. Yeah, I thought that was gonna be some hoes. Yeah, we out. Hold on. Shit. They're not hoes. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Might be hoes. Might be hoes. There might be hoes there. Hold on. Yeah, that's not the hoes. Yeah, we out. Anyways, like, subscribe. Blah, blah, blah.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.
So, blinding. This should be a new intro. Come on. Pick up my voice. Yeah. Man,